Alright, so I have two microphones. So I have two microphones from Behringer. So on the left side I have the XM8500. This is a dynamic microphone. On the right side I have the C-1. This is a condenser microphone. So in today's video we'll do audio comparison. So we'll see which microphone you should buy. You should go dynamic or you should go condenser. Let's start with the video and let's see who is gonna be first now. So paper, rock, scissor, paper, rock, scissor. How's it going, guys? Stefan is here. Welcome back for another video. In today's video we have the XM8500 VS C-1, the same company, so pretty different microphones but similar in price. So this is the XM8500 you listening right now, and the microphone is plugged into my SSL solid state logic. The gain is about 75%. Also, from now on I'm gonna do something that probably I think is gonna be good, just to see what is the difference. I'm gonna press the 4K legacy button, but we'll do it a little bit later. So let's talk about this microphone. So this is the XM8500 from Behringer. After that we're going to check the Behringer C-1. This is a comparison video today. So pretty similar microphones in terms of the price. Obviously this is gonna cost you about it's very cheap. It's about 14 to 16 pounds in UK. The C-1 is gonna cost you about 20 pounds as well. So pretty similar price range. And this is the raw audio. I don't do any tweaking, making. This is the clear audio, just record, and this is the audio. Like I mentioned, again, it's about 75%. And let me show you now what's the difference if we press the 4K legacy button. Alright, so this is the 4K legacy button is pressed on. As you can see, it's on. So this is with the 4K legacy button on. This is a dynamic microphone. It's a handheld microphone from Behringer. Let me know, what do you think? Do you like the sound quality of the Behringer XM8500? And now this is the same microphone but with the 4K legacy button off. So this is the difference if you have the 4K legacy off. So let me know if you see any difference. But overall, I did an unboxing of this microphone, so I'm gonna leave a link in the description down below if you wanna check it. But overall, I think this is a great microphone. Either way, which one you decide to buy, you'll be happy with both microphones, but it's your judgment. You are the one who is gonna decide which one is better for you. This is the XM8500 dynamic microphone from Behringer. Next is gonna be the C-1 from Behringer again. It's coming right now. Alright, so next we have the Behringer C-1. This is a condenser microphone and requires a 48 phantom power. So as you can see here, the phantom power, I don't know if you can see, but the phantom power is on. So the gain is 55%. Again, this is very good in my opinion. Due to the phantom power, this microphone doesn't require too much gain. So yeah, this is the condenser microphone from Behringer C-1. Let me know, what do you think? Do you like the sound quality of this microphone? As we know, this is a condenser microphone, so I don't know how it's gonna be the noise floor. Actually, I don't know if you can hear, but the fan of my cooling pad is on. So at least just to have an idea how is the sound quality with the noise floor. Just for a second, let me switch this off just to have a better idea. If I find where is the... Alright, so the fan is off right now, And just to have idea, this is not a treated room, so you can have idea. The difference between dynamic and condenser microphones is the condenser microphones, they require 48 phantom power, and also they can get, you can hear sometimes a little bit noise. But the dynamic microphone from other side is much better with the noise floor. So you are the judge, you can choose which microphone sounds better for you. And now we'll do something very interesting as always. We're gonna press the 4K legacy button to see how it's different if you trick the audio. If you do any tricking, wicking, but personally I don't do any edited, I don't do anything about audio. Just make sure the audio is raw. Just plug, record, and this is the audio that you can hear. So let's do that now. Let's press the 4K legacy button and let's see if there's gonna be any difference. Alright, so the 4K legacy button is on, so you can have idea what is the difference now. So the 4K legacy button basically is gonna make your voice a little bit more higher, more harmonic, and I don't know, some people like that, some people don't, but I think it's a very good touch from SSL solid state logic. But let me know, what do you think? What do you think about this sound? As we mentioned already, this is a condenser microphone. I think it's gonna be great for spoken words. I don't know for singing because I'm not a singer, but I don't know, you should give it a try. I think it's a very good, due to the price range, this microphone is great and it's very popular on the market. So this is gonna cost you about £20. The XM8500 is gonna cost you about 14 to 16 pounds. That's very, very affordable. And we know that the Behringer company, they're doing very well in terms of price and the quality. And many people are happy about this. If you're on a budget, you can find really nice microphones, audio gear from Behringer, in my opinion. So let me know, what do you think? So this is with the 4K legacy button on. Let's switch the button off right now. And the button is off, so no more 4K legacy, no more 4K. This is the with the 4K legacy off. So let me know if there's gonna be any difference of the sound. So let me know what you think, guys. Do you like the XM8500 or do you like the C-1? Same company, great microphones. You are the judge, and you'll see which one suits you better. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed this comparison. So what is my verdict? Which one you should buy? Personally, I think both microphones are nice. If you're on a budget, they're similar prices. This is perfect if you don't have a treated room, because dynamic microphones are much better than the condenser microphones because they get a little bit more noise than the dynamic microphones. But overall, if I have to choose, probably I'm gonna get both. If you're on a budget and you can afford only one, probably get the XM8500, because this one requires 48 phantom power. But if you can afford both, I think it's a great choice in my opinion. Again, this is not a sponsored video. I purchased these microphones on my own. But if I have to choose, probably I'm gonna get the XM8500 because it's more versatile. But this is very good microphone as well. But if you can afford, get them both. You're not gonna be surprised. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Let me know in the comments down below. Make sure you subscribe and like the video. If you like more comparison videos, let me know in the comments down below what do you want to see next. And if you have any suggestions, leave it in the comments down below. As always, I'll see you in the next video. I don't know what I'm doing. Thank you very much for watching, and I see you next time. I don't know.